All right, here's a good question. You need to solve this radical equation. Okay, so I need to isolate a radical. Let's isolate this one. So I'll add root x minus 12 to both sides. So root x plus 15 equals 3 plus root x minus 12. Now I can use the power rule, square both sides. So I get x plus 15 is equal to, and we have to FOIL this out. Let me write two of them. Okay, FOIL 3, 3 and 9, plus 3 root x minus 12, plus 3 root x minus 12, plus, it'll be root x minus 12 times itself, right, or squared, and that square will cancel the square root. Okay, so x plus 15 equals 9 plus 6 root x minus 12, because these are like terms, plus, if that cancels out, then I have x minus 12. Okay, now I want to isolate the radical again, this part. So I'm going to subtract 9, subtract x, and add 12. So I have to subtract 9, add 12, subtract x. Oh, those cancel. Okay, these are all gone. And then 15 take away 9 is 6. 6 plus 12 is 18. So 18 equals 6 root x minus 12. At this point, I want to isolate that radical. And because 18 can be divided by 6, let's just divide both sides by 6. So I get 3 is equal to root x minus 12. Now we'll square to get rid of the radical. So I'll get 9 is equal to x minus 12. And then I'll add 12 to both sides, so I get 21. And if we wanted to check that, root 21 plus 15 minus root 21 minus 12, is that equal to 3? 21 plus 15, so it's 36. 21 minus 12 is 9. Square root of 36 is 6. Square root of 9 is 3. And 6 take away 3 does come out to 3. So it means my answer of 21 should be correct. It's very easy to mess up with this part right there. And then when they come to the other side, making sure you put the right signs there.